Online Destination Import. Log into the Škoda Connect portal. Select Destination and Route Import. You can use this service on the Škoda Connect portal to automatically save selected destinations in your car's navigation system. Click on the Create New Destination. Name your destination, enter the address, and press Save. Once you have saved the new destination, do not forget to activate it. To add other destinations, click on Add Destination once more. When saved and activated, the entered destinations will be transferred to your car's navigation system. You can also send destinations to your car using the Škoda Connect app. Select the Trip Planner tile and the map appears. Use the Search tab to enter and find your desired destination through address, event, or contacts. The app also offers the option of adding a new destination by clicking on the map. Tap on the button to send the destination to the vehicle. You can download the newly added destinations to your navigation system by clicking on Connect and Online Destinations. Here, select Update to import your created destinations from the Škoda Connect portal or the Škoda Connect app to your car. Alternatively, you can press Nav, go to My Destinations, and select Destinations. By selecting a destination, you will start navigating to the selected destination.